Let us solve problem number 17. For a scalar function, they have given some function same as above function, x square plus 3y square plus 2z square. The gradient at point, they are asking us to find gradient at some point. How will you find? First find gradient. Function with respect to x into I, function with respect to y into j, function with respect to z into k. Then gradient at which point? 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. Gradient at this point 2i plus 12j minus 4k. 2i plus 12j minus 4k. Which option is correct? Option B is correct. Let us solve problem number 18. Problem number 18, directional derivative. Very easy. Directional derivative, they have given function x comma y comma z as x square minus 3yz in the direction of vector. They have given vector and point also. First find gradient. Del phi is equal to 2x minus with respect to x into I plus with respect to y is minus 3z into j, with respect to z is minus 3y into k. Now del phi at some point 2 comma minus 1 comma 4, so 2 2s are 4i minus of minus plus 3j plus minus 12k, sorry, z is 4, right? So this will be minus 12j and this will be plus 3k. Okay, total is 4i minus 12j plus 3k. Then after getting del phi, directional derivative equal to del phi at some point into ay mod a. So del phi at some point is 4i minus 12j plus 3k into a by mod a. A is how much? I plus j minus 2k, because here you can see in the direction of this will be the a, and by root over mod is 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 whole square is 2 square. What you will get? Dot product 4 ones are 4 minus 12 ones are minus 12 plus 3 2s are minus 6 divided by root over 6. So I am getting it as minus 5.715. Okay, you can substitute as minus 5.175 in the given blank. Okay, then let us solve next problem, the divergence. Can you tell me directly what is the divergence without pen and paper? Can't you tell? Very easy. Without pen and paper you can tell it. So problem number 19, the divergence of vector field. Divergence means what? Function with respect to x, this scalar, function with respect to x is 1 plus function with respect to y 1 plus function with respect to z 1 is equal to 3. Hope you are not getting this thing. I will do quickly for you. So function, what is the vector they have given? X minus y into I plus y minus x into j plus x plus y plus z into k. Now directional divergence is equal to dou y dou x of x minus y into I plus dou y of y minus x into j plus dou y dou z of x plus y plus z into k. Now dou by dou x is 1 plus, no, into I won't be there. Okay, this is a scalar. So dou by dou y into y minus x is 1. Dou by dou z into x plus y plus z is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Option D is correct. Problem number 20, again directional derivative. They have given function as x square plus 2y square plus z at some point. So del phi equal to what I can write? Del phi equal to, I can write it as 2xi plus 4yj plus k, because with respect to z is 1 plus k. So del phi at some point 1 comma 1 comma 2. So 2i plus 2j 4j, 2i plus 4j plus 2 plus k, that's it. So 2i plus 4j plus k. Okay, then directional derivative, how will you find? This is what? 2i plus 4j plus k. How will you find directional derivative? Directional derivative equal to del phi at 1 comma 1 comma 2 dot a by mod a. So del phi is 2i plus 4j plus k. What is in the direction of which vector? 3i minus 4j. So 3i minus 4j divided by what? Mod a is root over 3a square plus 4a square, that will be 9 plus 16 25. Root over 25 is 5. So I will multiply 3 to 6. 6 minus 16 by 5 minus 10 by 5, that is minus 2. Option B is correct. Let us solve one more problem. What they are saying? The divergence of vector field. Very easy, right? Divergence of vector field. Can't you do that? They are saying 3xzi, then 3xyj, yz square k at some point. Okay, divergence. How will you do? Dou by dou x of 3xz plus dou by dou y of 2xy plus dou by dou z of minus yz square. So divergence is equal to, with respect to x this will be 3z, plus with respect to y this will be 2x, with respect to z this will be minus 2zy, then divergence at which point? They are asking 1 comma 1 comma 1. Substitute 1. 3 plus 2 minus 2, this will be 3. Okay, so option C is correct. Then problem number 22. Problem number 22, velocity vector of flow field. They have given velocity vector 2xyi minus x square jz. Verticity vector they are asking at 1 comma 1 comma 1. Verticity vector means, how will you do? That is curl. How will you find curl? Formula for finding curl is this thing, I, j, k. Always you have to write here dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. I coefficient is how much? 2xy. J coefficient is minus x square z. Z coefficient is 0. This is the way you have to find curl. I into, find det. I into 0 minus dou by dou z of this minus dou by dou z of x square z. What you will get? Minus x square, that will be plus x square, minus j into 0, with respect to z this is 0, plus k into, with respect to k this is with respect to x, minus 2xz minus minus with respect to y minus 2x again. Okay, do determinant. X square I substitute 1 comma 1 comma 1 I plus k into 1 entire thing will be minus. So I minus 4k is the verticity vector. Verticity vector is curl. Curl is equal to verticity vector I minus 4k is correct answer. Thank you.